Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are asked to find g of minus 1 multiplied by g of h of 0. Okay, if g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 1 and h of x is equal to minus 3x plus 3. This is very simple. Solution: we are given g of x as 2x squared plus 1. So g of minus 1 is simply anywhere we see x, we should put minus 1. So which is what? 2 into minus 1 squared plus 1. So which is what? 2 into 1 plus 1, which is what? 2 plus 1, which is what? 3. Okay? So the next one they gave us is what? H of what? X. H of x they gave us as minus 3x plus 3. So h of 0, they say we should find is minus 3 into 0 plus 3. So which is what? 0 plus 3, which is 3. Okay? So we are now asked to find g of minus 1 multiplied by h of 0, which is what? 3 multiplied by 3, and 3 times 3 is what? 9. Very simple. This is one of the easiest questions you can find in exam. So do this one for me and tell me what the answer will be in the comment section. So find g of 2 and h of 1, then add them together. Tell me what the answer will be in the comment section. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.